Ooh, Farhan, I'm so tired. I stayed up late again last night. Studying, it just seems to work better for me at night. You know.
My friend, I used to think that too. But ever since I started getting up early, my whole routine has changed for the better.
Really? I thought you were a night owl like me.
I was, but remember when we talked about focusing on our university admission preparation? I read somewhere that getting up early can really make a difference.
But how does getting up early help with studying? I mean, you can study at any time, right?
It's not just about the time to study. It's about having a clear mind, less distractions, and more energy throughout the day.
Okay, but what's so special about the morning? Can't I just get that fresh start after a good sleep, even if it's late?
The morning has this vibe. You know, it's like the world is just waking up. Everything's calm. I get to have a quiet breakfast, read a bit, and then dive into studying without feeling rushed.
You actually have breakfast. I usually just grab whatever's there and rush out.
Exactly. I used to do that too. But now I make time to enjoy my breakfast. It's just a simple parota and fried egg with a cup of cha. But it sets the tone for the day. Plus, I get to review my study notes while I eat.
Sounds nice. But what about studying at night? It's quiet then too, and there are fewer distractions.
True, but at night, I used to feel so drained. My brain was tired from the whole day's activities. But in the morning, after a good night's sleep, I feel sharp. My mind is fresh, and I can focus better. Plus, there's something about the early hours that makes me feel like I have a head start over everyone else.
You really believe that?
Definitely. I've noticed I get more done in the morning. And when the rest of the world wakes up, I'm already ahead with my studies. It's like the day is mine to control.
But what about sleep? If I get up early, I'll have to go to bed early too. Won't I miss out on things?
Yeah, I had to adjust my routine. I make sure I get at least 7 hours of sleep. It's about discipline. I used to waste time scrolling on my phone at night. Now, I've set a bedtime, and I stick to it. Honestly, I don't miss out on anything important.
That sounds tough, but I guess if it helps with studying.
It's not just about studying. It's about having control over your day. Once you get used to it, you'll see the benefits in everything you do. Plus, it feels great knowing I'm taking care of my health and my future at the same time.
You know, you might be onto something. I've been feeling so tired during the day, and maybe staying up late is the reason. I think I'll give this early morning thing a try.
Trust me, Rafiq, it's worth it. Start slow, just wake up 30 minutes earlier than usual and see how it feels. You'll notice the difference. Plus, with our admission exams coming up, we need every advantage we can get.
Yeah, you're right. Thanks for the advice, Farhan. I'll give it a shot starting tomorrow morning.
Great, let's meet for a morning walk tomorrow after Fajr. It'll be a good way to kickstart the day.
Deal. Let's do this.
And so, with a newfound determination, Rafiq embraced the early morning routine, ready to face the challenges ahead, knowing that every small change could bring him closer to success.